We're in the thick of tax season right now. You have until April 15th to file, of course, but experts say filing early this year will benefit you. Our financial expert, Dan Roccato, is here with strategies to maximize your return. Dan, good morning.
What's up, Bill? How you feeling?
I'm doing good. I am rounding up all my tax info right now. I do plan on filing early. Why is that a good idea this year?
Don't you love this time of the year, Bill?
No.
Especially this year. Here's how the IRS works, Bill. It's basically first in, first out, right? So there's going to be 160 million people who file a tax return. About 117 million of them will get a refund. And right now, you can actually get it in there and get it out pretty quick. In fact, one of my students said she filed electronically and got her refund within a week, which is, by IRS standards, light speed, right? So This year especially, it's important because of all the changes in the tax law that we had last year to get that return processed.
Got it. And so once I file, what do I expect?
Well, if you file electronically, you can expect a refund if you're due one within 3 weeks, which again is pretty remarkable by IRS standards. But there's ways, Bill, that you can make that even quicker. Number one, do it today. The sooner you submit, the faster you'll get that refund. E-file. About more than 80% of us are now using e-file, electronic filing. That's the way to go, Bill. It's safe, secure, fast, and you will get your refund ahead of those folks who are using paper. So if you're still using paper, stop. Check your bank instructions, Bill. One of the most common errors is people put the wrong account or the wrong routing number, so double check that you have those numbers correct. And Bill, there's a great website. I did say great when it comes to the IRS, Bill. I'm not crazy. It's called Where's My Refund? And in real time, Bill, you can actually see where you stand in the process. So you can see where your refund is and how quickly you might get it.
That is pretty handy. Now, we all want our money faster, but what traps should we be watching out for?
And that's what I want folks to pay attention to this morning, especially. These refund advance loans offered by the tax prep companies, they're legit, they're okay, but be careful. Read the small print. Make sure you understand if there's fees, if there's interest. Sometimes the interest can be quite high. I've seen them as high as 30% to get that refund sooner. I'm not a big fan, Bill, of these debit card refunds where you get your refund, you get it faster from a tax preparer, but it comes on a debit card. Well, what do you and I do with debit cards? We spend the money. And some of your refund hopefully will be used for some of your savings. So not a big fan of that. And finally, every year we do the reporting on scams. Hello, Bill, this is the IRS calling. We can get your refund today.
Yeah.
Just give me your bank information, please. It's a scam. The IRS never makes a phone call.
Gotcha. Dan Roccato, always a pleasure, sir. Thank you.
All right, brother. Have a good weekend.
You too.